Namaste. It is so good to see you, and thanks for joining me here today. In today's video, we are going to be accessorizing primarily the walls, but we'll see what else we get into as we progress through the video. So join me, get yourself something cold or warm to drink, get cozy, and let's decorate. I think it'll be a fun video. I think you may like some of the items I will be adding here today, just to kind of jazz up your walls. You know, sometimes you place something and it's just like, it could be better. And if you're a more is better girl, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm gonna take my walls up a notch. And if you're a more is better girl, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Now we have several areas to cover, so I'm gonna go rather fast. But to start, you can see right here, we have one of those sliding doors. And we had all this open space right here. It was driving me nuts. I thought, oh my goodness, that is such a waste of good wall space that I could decorate. Now I realize I already shared this mirror. I purchased it on Amazon, but the reason I'm sharing it is because I'm not stopping there. I can't let that white space go to waste. Heck to the no. So with that said, I shared this with you, I believe last week. I purchased this from Hobby Lobby. It was 75% off. And I thought, isn't that cute? I love signs. I love them. I'm gonna use them. I don't care what the experts say. You gotta do what you love. You know what I mean? I also thought to myself, if I didn't want to use this, I could certainly pop that out and just use the frame, because I love using frames to layer items when I decorate. So with that said, I just thought to myself, I brought it in the kitchen and I thought that would fit perfect in this little white space.
I was facing all the sunlight while our feet...
Isn't that cute? It just dresses that door up. And what I did was I put a nail up there and a glue dot behind there and pushed on it real hard. It's not going anywhere. So it's a really cute look. If you have a sliding door, you could hang a wreath, a sign, a picture, anything really. But yeah, I love it. I'm in love with that mirror here. It's just the way the lighting comes in through the windows at different times of the day. I love mirrors because they have that reflective property, and you can see in the distance, it picks up other lights on that are in the house, and it just looks cozy. I just love it. It was the best decision I made here in this kitchen.
I try to make you see that my shoulder is ready for you to lean on. So why, oh why do you still flee when you know that you are the one? I can tell that you've been...
Okay, so now I'm in the laundry room and I've got all this blank white wall space right here. It's a very small room, but nonetheless, it has to look cozy for me. It's just got to give me cozy vibes or I don't like it. So what I'm going to do is hang a chalkboard shutter on the wall, and we'll see what I do after that. And I found this chalkboard shutter in Pittsburgh in an antique mall. And it was only $25. I thought it was a really good deal, and I think it'll look darling right here. Okay, this is the chalkboard shutter. What I loved about it was the arched top. Okay, now what I'm gonna do to jazz up the chalkboard, I'm gonna hang a wreath. I could write something cute like summer's here, or I don't know, something cute on there, but I've decided just to keep it simple. And I'm gonna add a boxwood wreath, and I'm gonna hang it by this ribbon. And what I do is I take a little tack and I go in through the back side, so you won't even see the tack, and that's how I'm gonna hang it. And see, if you take your little tack and you go in on the back side of the ribbon like this, when you push it into the wall, you're not even gonna see it. So like I said, it is tight quarters in here, but it is cute when you walk in. And that wreath matches the boxwood wreaths right up there. So I really think it's cute. Now right here, I have 2 hooks that I got from Hobby Lobby. I used to hang the dog leashes there, and that was before we got our outdoor fence. Now we don't really need them. So I thought, well, what could I hang on those hooks to look cute? And I didn't want to take the hooks down and have holes. So I thought cutting boards were right next to the kitchen, and that would be cute, a cute transition from in the kitchen in here. So let's do it. So I have this big long one. It's white marble up top with the wood below, and I can hang it by this rope. And then I have this wood one, and it doesn't have rope or twine, but we're just gonna hang it. So here's the washer and dryer, and then up top I have a basket and 2 canisters that I got from Hobby Lobby, and what I house in there are the laundry pods. So when I need to do a wash, I can just pop the lid for easy access and toss it in. Down below, I have one of these real cushiony rugs from Amazon. I love these. You can literally vacuum over them and mop over them. They stay beautiful all the time, and they're comfortable, you know? And then over here, I've got a trash can for my lint. And then, like I said, I hung those little cutting boards. I've got the shutter, that. I just put a wood tray there with some greenery, and that. And that is the laundry room. Small but cute. Would you look at that gorgeous morning? Oh, I just love it. I love having my coffee and looking at it, that pretty view. God's country. So right here, I have a Hobby Lobby basket, and what I previously had inside the basket was a beautiful green wreath. I kind of got sick of it, and I decided to go this route. Hold on. But anyway, real quick, if you have a basket, don't think you can't just hang a basket on the wall by itself. You can literally use a tack or a nail, hang a sign, a wreath, a cutting board. I mean, you have options. You know, jazz up your baskets, your wall baskets, that is. Okay, so last week I found this at Hobby Lobby. I believe it was 50% off from a spring shop. I might be wrong, but I think it was. And so I thought, well, geez, maybe I could take the wreath off and hang this. This is similar in color to the basket. And then this is galvanized steel. And I thought I could just simply put a pot. Isn't that cute? And I'm gonna hang it in the basket. and they have little cutting board plant holders in a few different styles. So if you didn't like this and you wanted something a little bit more elegant looking, you could probably do that as well. But even a cutting board would be darling hanging there. I found these at an antique store. It's so funny how antique stores are passing off current items as antiques. Hilarious, right? So I thought somebody had chalk painted this. No, I found these at Hobby Lobby exactly like this. And I think these are 50% off as well. And the lady just put a little floral pick in it, but you could hang it there as well. Let me show you. Well, my goodness, that's cute too. The white really pops, but I like the size and scale of this one a tad better. So I'm probably gonna go with this. I already shared this. We did the fake shiplap wallpaper so we could protect this, and then I shared the pegboard, and I love the layering effect. It's cute. Some of you were worried that this was gonna hit that, but it doesn't. So anyway, I think it's cute here in the kitchen. And let me just show you. See, it doesn't hit it. Okay, friends, now we're in a hallway, and all I have on the wall is this metal wall embellishment. And I did have a daisy wreath there, but I took it down. I want to put a more vibrant colored wreath there that I purchased on Amazon last week. So we're gonna hang that, and I want to decorate underneath it, and I want to add an embellishment up there to kind of jazz up this whole area. So let me go get it. So I really, really love mixing metals with wood. This on its own looks a little sterile to me, but when you add the wood with it, it warms it up. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now, this is a little wood wall shelf I got from Hobby Lobby. I have several of these in my house because they're really fun to decorate with. I have these upstairs in my media room, and what I did was I put them on a wall shelf, turned them up this way, and used it to lean, you know, something right here. And it looked really, really cute. And then you can use them on the wall. You can add some greenery, put a picture above it. I mean, sky's the limit, but in this case, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just going to hang it right below that. This is only being used as a decorative detail. See, didn't that just take it from boring to better? I just think it's really cute. It gives it more of a architectural look and feel. If you guys know me, you know I'm not stopping here. Oh, no, I'm not. Now, because I'm really into the farmhouse look and feel, and I love the white with the pops of black, although I am going to be mixing metals, what I'm really trying to do here is add ambiance. Because this is a hallway, I'd like to add some LED flameless flickering candles and add these two rustic wall sconces. Hobby Lobby, I got these, I believe, 50% off. I think. I'm gonna put these on either side. I decided to go with taller LED flameless flickering candles. Why? I don't know. I just thought they would look cute because I have such height in between here and up there. And I really like that look. Let me turn the lights out so you can see how cozy it looks. And what I like about these is you can set them on a timer. And so at specific hours in the evening, they can go on for, you know, 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, and you've got ambiance when the lights are out. Did you think I was done? If you know me, you guessed correct. Nope. Now I'm gonna go in with this beautiful, colorful, vibrant wreath for summer, and I'm gonna hang it. And my little tip for you guys is get yourself some curtain clips. They look like this. You can buy these on Amazon without the curtain circular part. You can order just these hooks. And what I do is I take the wreath and I just clip it to the back, just like that. And then that'll allow me to hang it up on the metal arch piece. I really feel like all of this took this wall from boring to way better. Now this metal architectural piece, it draws your eyes up. It does the kind of the triangle look, you know? And so it draws your eyes up. And then this little piece acts as an architectural piece just as this does. But what it does is it grounds this piece and it warms it up. And then the wall sconces are just here simply to add ambiance. And then the wreath adds a pop of color for the seasons. So I can always change this wreath out with a spring wreath, summer wreath, fall wreath, Christmas wreath, and it takes you through the seasons. So now when I stand back, this is sort of what you see as you look down this little corridor. And it really warms up the space. It makes it feel bright and cheery and cozy. If you thought I was done, I'm not at all. This will probably complete my look. I have had this since we moved in, and this, oh, I remember this was above my kitchen sink, but then when I added the buffalo check valance, I didn't have use for it. So now I'm gonna take this and place this above that door. I think that wood in the embellishment ties in with the wood in that shelf, and now it all kind of ties together. Before I forget, I just got this from Amazon. It's a cute cardigan, very lightweight. I love it because I don't like to show my arms, and in the summer I can just roll the sleeves up like that and I'm nice and cool, but I feel comfortable in my own skin, you know what I mean? I got this cute black tank top with these little buttons, and you can unbutton them if you want. You can tuck it if you want more of a V-neck look, or you can just leave them buttoned. So you have options with this tank top. I love it because it's tighter fitting in the bust, but flowier down below. It's more of a tunic type tank top. And then I just wear it with jeans and some cute wedge heels, and I'm good to go. And then of course I love big chunky jewelry. So I pulled out these, and I like how it kind of pulls out the brown in the cardigan. All right, my sweet friends, I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today and doing a little accessorizing on the walls around this house. Come back and see me Friday. We may be in the kitchen, you know, working on adding pops of color for summer. So I hope you will join me then. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you Friday. Mwah! Bye, guys.